Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to thank you for joining me here and taking time out of your busy day to do a little unboxing with me. Excuse me. It is, I'm in the process of uploading another video and I thought, let's just throw this one together and then I gotta go get showered up and ready for work. And yeah, it's early morning, but here in Pennsylvania, the sun comes up early, along with my dog, who had to do a little potty break early. So, thus, here we are. I just did a fun video, and you'll want to go and check that out first before you watch this, or watch this and then go ahead and watch that one. Stampin' Up! Came out with this brand new little flyer. It's called Experience Creativity, and I did do a walkthrough with this flyer with you, just going through some of the fun things Stampin' Up! Has put together to make your shopping experience much easier and hassle-free by providing some products that they put together for you. If you're not sure where to begin, or if you've been kind of mishmash in your ordering and you're just like, you know what, I have all this stuff and I haven't done anything, well, they put together these fun kits of products that get you started in the right direction. One of the best ways to get started or to revamp up what you're doing already is a quick and easy kit. Now, how about this fun kit? It's called Looking Up Card Kit, and everything you need is included to make these fun cards. And it's item number 1496.51. It is only $27, and let me just read this to you. It says, create beautiful all-occasion cards in minutes. I mean, who has a couple minutes? We all have that, right? It makes 15 cards, 3 of each of 5 designs, using the included Looking Up stamp set. Save your stamp set and ink to use on other projects. And the folded card size is 4 by 6, so it's perfect for popping in the mail and quick enough to throw together, like it says, in minutes. Now with the 3 simple steps. So step 1, put the stamp on your block, ink and stamp. Hello, who can't do that? Step 2, add decorative pieces to the card base. And step 3, adhere the sentiment to your card. And it doesn't go on to step 4, but all I say to that is sign it, address it, lick a stamp on it, although we don't really lick stamps anymore. We just peel and stick. Stick a stamp on it, throw it in the mailbox, and away you go. We all have time for that, right? We do. And I just think they're super cute. The one that got me the two that got me the most is a cute little airplane. And I just love these palm trees. I am a palm tree beach kind of girl, and although I only live a few hours away from the beach, I just don't get there. But I can experience that through making some fun cards. Now, if you like kits like this, Stampin' Up! Also offers a monthly subscription box, which I highly recommend this. It's called Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up! And again, a one-stop box for creativity. You'll want to go ahead and check out previous videos I did unboxing. The most recent one was the June one with, again, palm trees, ocean breezes. I mean, I love that kit. But this is only $22 a month, and you can suspend or cancel at any time. And you could subscribe at paperpumpkin.com, and be sure to choose me, Susan Timchak, as your demonstrator. I, in turn, will have you on my customer list and share with you all the fun alternative projects I make with Paper Pumpkin. But back to this Looking Up card kit. Here we are. It comes in this beautiful box. So who doesn't like organization? So you're talking vacations are coming up. It's the end of June. 4th of July is coming up next week. We're heading to the beach, or we're heading camping, or we're heading wherever it is you enjoy going to relax and just get away from the stress of it all. Well, here you are. Just grab this and you are ready to go. Maybe a pair of paper snips. Maybe you want to add your favorite adhesive. I would recommend the Tombow multi-glue, which, travels. You can throw all of this into your box and pack it up, and away you go. So, anyhow, let's explore the kit together. I mean, this is a nice sturdy box too. It's great repurpose. Or how about making all these cards, put a nice bow on the front, and giving it to your favorite stamper. I mean, hello, I would love it. If you want to give it to me, I would love it. All right, so here it is, your all-inclusive kit. Comes all wrapped up in cello. And let's see, we have Bermuda Bay, a little ink spot, so they give you your ink. Here's your little block that once your kit is done, you still have your block, you have your ink spot, and let's not forget about our stamp set. Let me just grab whatever I have laying here so we can take a look at that. So it says, I'm very thankful for you. There's a happy birthday. There's like a little star here. Here's some little seagulls or birds flying. Thanks so much. Feel better soon. And I hear congratulations are in order. And did I say this one? I'm very thankful for you. But that covers everything. Everything is covered in this stamp set. So if you need a card, I mean, make your cards. Don't put your sentiments on it. Stamp them separately. Maybe put dimensionals on the back. And when you're ready to send out a card, go through your ones already stamped. It has the dimensionals on it. Throw it out there and sign it, and boop, off you go, right? Can't get any simpler than that. So let's take a look at what all is in here. I'm not going to create anything this morning. Just going to do a little unboxing of this kit, because I want to see it too. I kind of had a little peek at it when I attended the Demonstrator Only on Stage event back in April. But I wanted to get it because, hey, sometimes I'm strapped for time as well. Now look at this nice block. Oh, it's nice. It compares to our blocks that we have in the catalog. It's not as thick as those blocks, but it has a nice rounded edges, no sharp edges. And boy, that goes to show you. Look how I used my, well, you probably can't see, but ooh, that's so crystal clear compared to my blocks. Maybe it's time for me to invest in some new blocks, but ooh, I love it. Has the little Stampin' Up! Logo on there, and I think it's great. Love it. It has a great feel to it. It's a great size. All right, so here we have some Stampin' Dimensionals. 2 sheets of those. Hello, thank you very much. Look at the cute envelopes. Oh my goodness, look at that little airplane. The airplane had me, I have to say. Oh, and look at the inside. How stinking cute is that? That's printed on there, so it's not adding any extra weight. And for those of you that, if you're like me, can you see maybe it's a little washed out? There's lines on there. So I always have an issue with, I'll always be writing downhill. Well, no worries with those. And I love the envelopes. And oh, this one has polka dots. This one has a little tree on it. So we have 3 of those. This one has what I'm going to call little raindrops. And look at that background on there on the inside of your card. And actually, yeah, it's the full inside. So if you want to be creative and cut these apart and somehow incorporate them in your card, you can. Hey, it's your kit. Palm tree, hello. That's, yeah, I want to be under that palm tree with my Adirondack chair. That's all I'm saying. Look at the inside of that. How fun. These are so fun. And look at the hot air balloon. I mean, who doesn't love a hot air balloon? One of my things I always wanted to do is go for a ride in one of those. On my bucket list. And here we have some beautiful stripes. And I love the black and white detail. Black and white to me is just so classy. Now here we go. This is the one that stole the show for me. And look at, they're incorporating the black and white, and I'm sure that matches. Yep, it matches our envelope. So, oh, Stampin' Up! Yeah, I mean, you really amaze me. And these are standard size cards. Are they standard? They seem a little larger. Let's see. What do we got here? We have, boo, boo, boo. They are. They're a little larger. A little larger. It was like 5 3/4, well, by almost 4 1/4. So, a nice size. Real nice size. I'll put that over there. Inside are white. Already pre-scored for you. But I love this airplane. I don't know. I'm just like nostalgic these days. So anyhow, we have 3 of those. And look at the beautiful palm trees. Oh my goodness. And there again, that black and white detail. So we have 3 of those. Now for you city dwellers, which I'm not really a city dweller, but I've been living here in the city, and I'd much rather be living under those palm trees. But here's a real cute card you can make. And again, incorporating that black and white. So we have 3 of those. And oh, look at those hot air balloons. Oh, come sail away, right? And here's the one that looks like little raindrops. Or, you know, dewdrops or whatever you want to call it. And here we have, oh my goodness, look at these. Here we have some cutout dies. We have 1, 2, 3 sheets of those, and these you just punch them out. But look at that airplane. I'm going to do a whole video. I'm going to assemble the cards. We're going to assemble them together. But we're just doing an unboxing, and look at these copper sheets of, are they sticky? I believe they are. Yes, they are. They have self-adhesive on the back. We get 1, 2, 3 sheets of those. Love those. And here we have some more tags. We have some circles. We have some flags, some hexagon, all sorts of tags. And look, they've even thrown in some glue dots for you. So, I mean, you know, you can, sometimes these could be a pain, but what I would recommend throw together is one of these take your pick tools, where the one end has this little sticky residue to help pick up things. The other end has a poker tool, which is great for picking up. There's also some additional tips that come with it, with a little spatula kind of thing and a scoring tool as well. And then you can also add on the die brush, which hooks into this too. So take your pick tool. I mean, really inexpensive, but great to add to your kit. So there we go. There is the unboxing. Let's go back through all the fun things that are included in this. And envelopes, I mean the block. And let me go to this side. Here's your little flyer, which shows you everything right on the front there. And when you open up your flyer, and Dory's sneaking by the way. She sees a box here and she's intrigued. Here's the steps to put them together. 1, 2, 3, just like I went over. And they do show pictures to show you how to assemble them. I mean, you can go ahead and read all this if you want. Just gives you some tips on what your kit includes and your steps to go ahead and assemble. There's also a excuse me, a video about this kit and other Stampin' Up! Kits. You can visit youtube.com/Stampin'Up, or you can just come on back here and stamp them along with me. Now this one's cute. Feel better soon with those little drops. And someone's coming by. Would you like to come by and say hello, Dory, to all the stampers? Dory? You may get a little wisp of her tail here pretty soon. Dory? 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 Come here and say hello to everyone. Everyone gets excited. Come here. She's being a little shy this morning. It's a little early for her. Oh, come here, Dory. Here comes Dor. Say hello to everyone. Yeah, she's purring. Can you hear her purring? Dory, look up. Look up here. Oh, I scared her. But she's hanging around. She's like, what you got there, Mom? I'm going to check that out, too. Yes. Come here. Come here. Well, she's being shy. She just did a little peeky poo there on the corner. But anyhow, this is a great kit to get started with, or a great kit to get some friends together, and nothing's better than having some friends together and stamping together. It's just so much fun. But be sure to add this to your next order. And if you're interested in checking out this Experience Creativity flyer, little brochure, I'd love to send you one, or send you the PDF and you can open it up online. You won't even have to wait for the mail person to come and deliver it. So anyhow, I hope you have a super Stampin' Day. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, that's about it. I've got to go shower and get ready for work. But I'll be back here again real soon. We're going to create some fun cards with this. And I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.